Welcome to Choice Tips episode 6, How to Win Global Clients. Did you know there's 3.9 billion internet users worldwide? Are you looking to engage with customers on an international level? Here are 2 ways that you can win global clients. So the first way is social media. So at Web Choice, around 20% of our new business sales comes via LinkedIn. And 79% of marketers would say LinkedIn is one of the most powerful lead generation tools around. So with LinkedIn, we recommend having a profile that appeals to your target audience. It talks about the issues that they may be facing, how you provide a solution to these, and has a strong call to action such as get in touch today. Creating relevant posts that tell a story or speak to your target audience by asking questions or talking about case studies or situations that you've helped customers can be a great way to engage with potential prospects and generate new leads. Or if you work with consumers, then Facebook's probably going to be the best platform. Tip 2 is SEO, search engine optimization. Google has a 90.46% market share of all search engines globally. SEO provides a whole number of advantages to your business. The first being increased brand exposure, the second being more traffic to your website, and the third, more leads and more sales. In the last few months, Web Choice have received inquiries from Norway, USA and Italy, just to name a few of the countries. Some of these inquiries include big brands such as Kenwood Cookers, and that was all through our SEO positioning and rankings. If you want to win clients on a global level, get in touch with Web Choice today.